Would you believe me if I told you that the Earth's core is 2.5 years younger than the Earth's crust?
Why is the Earth's core having a very high temperature and still solid? There are some stunning facts to know about the Earth's core which we will discuss in this video. I can bet you don't know that some parts of the Earth's core is as hot as the sun, and that the Earth's core is 2 times bigger than the Earth's moon. There are many things you need to know about the Earth's core. Watch this video to the end to get some facts about the Earth's core and the reasons behind it. Let's give a little introduction about the Earth's core. Just like the yolk of an egg, the Earth's core is the innermost part of the Earth. It is a ball-shaped, very hot and very dense center of our planet. It has a radius of about 3,485 kilometers. To put that in perspective, the Earth's moon has a radius of 1,737 kilometers. The Earth's core exists at a depth of about 2,900 kilometers beneath the Earth's surface. The pressure on the inner core is about 3 million times the pressure on the Earth's surface, and that is the major reason why the Earth's core is solid. The Earth's core spins faster than the Earth's crust. Yes, you heard me right. The Earth's core spins slightly faster than the Earth's crust. An experiment conducted by Columbia University in 1997 suggests that the inner core rotates in the same direction as the rest of the planet. However, the research shows that it makes one complete revolution 2/3 a second faster than the rest of the planet, making an extra rotation about every 1,000 years. The temperature of the core can be as high as 5,500 degrees Celsius, and it is composed of iron-nickel alloy. Why is the Earth's core so hot? The temperature of the Earth's core comes from 3 main sources. 1. The heat trapped during the formation of the Earth. 2. The heat generated by gravitational forces from the sun and moon as they tug and pull on the inner core. And the third, and maybe the most important source of heat in the Earth's core, is the heat produced by radioactive decay of elements in the core. Why is the Earth's core younger than the Earth's crust itself? The Earth's core is 2.5 years younger than the Earth's crust. I did not find that out. It's all courtesy of a little theory developed by the popularly known physicist Albert Einstein. This is based on the belief that gravity has the ability to distort time. That means that the deeper you are in the Earth, the greater the distortion of time experienced. The Earth's core is divided into 2 main layers, which are the inner and the outer core. The outer core is fluidy with a very low viscosity. Therefore, it is easily deformed and malleable. The outer core is the site of violent convection. The joining metal of the outer core creates and sustains the Earth's magnetic field. The inner core is the hot, dense ball composed mostly of iron. The temperature of the inner core is far above the melting point of iron. However, unlike the outer core, the inner core is not liquid or even molten. The inner core's intense pressure prevents the iron from melting. Therefore, the inner core is solid. Subscribe to this channel to get related videos.